Helplessly hoping her heart like in hovers nearby, awaiting he word, gasping at glimpses of gentle true spirit he runs, wishing he could fly, only to trip at the sound of goodbye. Wordlessly watching, he waits by the window and wonders at the empty place inside. Heartlessly helping himself to her bad dreams, he worries, did he hear her goodbye? Or even hello? They are two alone, they are three together, they are for each other. Stand by the stairway, you'll see something certain to tell you. Confusion has its cost. Love isn't lying, it's lost in a lady who lingers, saying she is lost and choking on hello. They are one person, they are two alone, they are three together, they are four.